Hi, my name's Chris, I'm 39 years old. I've been looking into getting this procedure just recently, actually. I started balding, maybe 25 years old. I'm 39 years old now. I just feel like it's gonna make me feel a little bit younger. I honestly feel like it's gonna make me feel about 10 years younger if I had a full head of hair. I got a younger girlfriend, you know, I'm 39, she's 25. So, you know, it's just gonna, I think it's gonna make me feel confident in myself again. You know, me and her get in arguments every once in a while, and first thing out of her mouth is, "You bald old man." And you know, it's just something I'm really excited about doing.